In today's video, we're talking about light. Tiny, but very powerful. Take a look. So before we talk about the practicality of this light, let's take a look at some of the features of this VIEWFLEX light to see what they have to offer. This LED video conference light could be used for PC, laptop video conferencing, Zoom call, FaceTime, online class education, self-broadcasting, makeup, live streaming, and YouTube content production. This bicolor LED light is adjustable, meaning that you can change the brightness and temperature with the push of a button. So you can go from warm to cold in a second. The mini LED light has a built-in interchangeable lithium battery. The charging time is about 2 hours with a maximum brightness output of 80 minutes. Some of the practicalities of this little light is that it has a suction cup, meaning that you can attach it either to your desk or behind your laptop computer. It also comes with a hat chute mount and 3 openings, so you can attach 3 other lights to this one so you can make your video light source even bigger. And it can also be used as a practical light. At $39.99, I think it's a bargain, and VIEWFLEX got it right. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time underwater.